Regional rural banks, or RRBs, are getting a big digital boost. NABARD is rolling out a centralized digital lending platform to help RRBs compete with NBFCs and microfinance institutions. This platform, called the Centralized Digital Credit Infrastructure (CDCI), will fully automate credit delivery from application to approval, making loans faster, more transparent, and more efficient than the old systems. After the One State One RRB policy that came into effect on May 1st, 2025, the number of RRBs shrank from 43 to 28. This consolidation brings scale efficiency, cost savings, and digital readiness. NABARD isn't stopping at just digitization. It plans to help RRBs design innovative loan products, like housing loans with first loss default guarantees and specialized credit for MSMEs, to expand beyond traditional agri-lending. Currently, 28 RRBs operate through over 22,000 branches across 26 states and 3 UTs. Nearly 92% of these branches are in rural and semi-urban areas, making them a key pillar of financial inclusion. As of March 2025, RRBs held 7.1 lakh crore rupees in deposits and 5.2 lakh crore rupees in loans. With NABARD's new digital push, these rural banks are set to become faster, smarter, and stronger competitors in India's credit market. RRBs 2.0, powered by NABARD Digital Lending Platform. By BankersAspire.